movie which released recently is called Homebound. It's a very celebrated.
Which film?
Homebound.
Homebound, I have not seen.
Okay, so the movie is about casteism and the people who they're struggling because of the caste. So that is something which has happened recently, which they have shown in the movie. The movie is celebrated, but the constitution was written long back, giving equality to all the caste. But the movie itself shows that even in recent days, casteism exists. So that is a proof that the constitution is not working properly, or over the years, why has that not worked properly?
Even a beautiful film called Bison came recently. See, all these, we get very angry because I'm on my stage, I hold my tongue. Whether it is Congress, whether it is Janata Dal, whether it is Janata. 75 years post-independence, the governments of this country has not succeeded in educating the population, the people, the strength of the right called voting. If they had invested in schools, BJP would not have been here. If they had invested on education, on basic health care, they have only worked on the equation of the caste divide. It is not just the BJP, Congress has done it too. All political parties have done it too. That's why I say I am not in any political party. I'll question all of them because we are the majority. They have kept it like that. The Sahukar. Even today you go to Karnataka and somewhere, if the Sahukar says we will vote for it, the Jamindar says we will vote, that is how they have kept it. It is, all of them are responsible. All political parties of this country who have been in power are responsible for this. It's a long way because casteism exists. It is the truth. I have fought my way wherever I am. I'm one of those lucky fellows who has fought my way. I did not let those wounds show. I kept it which is deeper than my flesh. I have fought my way. Just to tell them that you can still fight your way. But then that exists as a sad thing.
If you are speaking against